Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. This video is simply about not overcomplicating affiliate marketing here on YouTube. So last night I was sitting at the house with my trusty iPhone 6 Plus, scrolling through and watching a little bit of YouTube, and I came across a video that really intrigued me about how simple this affiliate marketing thing is on YouTube, and the simple fact that YouTube wants you to succeed if you create quality content. So I got back into the office this morning and I'm on my computer, as you can see here, and I'm on YouTube and I'm scrolling through the home screen and I see the video right here that I'm referring to. $7,000 versus $700, Mac Mini M1, 10 reasons to get this computer. The thing about this is, and the reason I'm saying YouTube wants you to succeed, even if you fill your video with affiliate links, which I'm going to show you here in a second, 3 examples actually of how to do this with different styles and formats of videos. But again, the point is, last night I was on my phone looking at YouTube, stumbled across this video because I've been thinking about getting an M1 or a Mac Mini M1. Of course, that leads me to the idea and thinking, does YouTube really know what I'm thinking if they displayed that on my feed on YouTube? But that's not really the point of this video, although it really is the point, because they sort of do know what you're thinking as well as everyone else on the platform. And that's why you don't really need to overcomplicate this. You just need to create videos and add your affiliate link, and I'm going to show you what I mean right now. So here's that Mac Mini M1 video, simply 10 reasons to get your computer. And you can see the content creator, Javon Dovey, right here. He literally just shows you on the screen the fact that he has a Mac Mini M1 and he talks about 10 reasons to get this video. You can see here he's simply just walking through the video and showing you and telling you the things you can do, to include using Final Cut Pro. And then if you scroll down, you'll simply see here, show more. He has a link here, Mac Mini M1. And the link, when you click it, goes to this site where you can purchase the Apple Mac Mini M1 by simply adding a cart and checking out. That is the power and the simplicity of doing affiliate marketing here on YouTube. Now you might be saying to yourself, that's great for him, Gary. He has a great big channel. It's easy for him to get on camera and actually talk about the equipment that he has and hold it up and show the world and tell them about it. What if I don't want my face on screen? Well, I've got you covered with that too, with example number 2. In this video, you can see an AirPods Max real review, and you can see on the screen that is the box. This is a typical unboxing video. So if you were to scroll forward, you'll see that he opens the box, and at this point you can see his hands and you can see the product. And if you keep going through the video, you can see he adds additional products, but this guy, Flossie Carter, never shows his face in his videos. And if you click show more, you can see right here, want to buy some of my gadgets, and a link to Amazon. And that is affiliate link. And now we're back again, and you're asking the question, that's great, Gary. This guy has the capability to put products, for example, like a phone, on a table and film it and talk about it, but I can't even do that because I don't have any way to film physical products, or I'm not comfortable with moving the products around, or it just seems super complicated. I have a third option for you to keep this super simple, because the process that I want you to understand is this is about making videos that are helpful. And in all these examples, these are different examples. Of course, the first 2 videos are talking about tech, but one is on screen like I'm on screen right now. You may not be comfortable with that, or it may just be technically too complicated. The next one is just filming the product and showing it in a camera. You may not be able to do that either, because you're still dealing with photography or using a piece of equipment to actually shoot the equipment. What about if you could just record your screen? And now I'm going to show you one of my videos where I do that and use the exact same process, again, to simplify this so you can understand that it's not as complicated as you may think it is. So here's my channel. Of course, if you scroll down through here, you can see I've made lots of videos about Thrive Architect. And if you were to click on one of these, for example, this video, how to make an exit pop-up using WordPress and Thrive Architect using light boxes. If you were to click on this video, you would see that this video is a simple screen share. All I do is share my screen like what you're seeing right now, just my voice and my screen on a computer, simply recorded with a screen recording software. And if you scroll down to the show more section, you'll see that there's going to be a link right here to get Thrive Architect. When that link is clicked on, it takes you to the sales page for Thrive Themes. You click the button here, you buy it. I earn an affiliate commission off of the link in that video. That's exactly how simple that is. And of course, like I said, this idea and how to keep this simple and not overcomplicate it came to me when I was using my iPhone last night, simply scrolling through YouTube. I saw a video that told me 10 reasons I should buy a Mac M1 Mini. And that's simply just a regular person, just like you, just like me, posting a video on YouTube telling people why he thinks you should buy a Mac M1 Mini, just like he did, and how it's improved his life. That's called high quality content. It's simple, it doesn't take much time. And if you'd like to see a video where I did this exact same thing with a product I use to see just how simple and effective this method is, go ahead, click the video that you see on the screen right now, watch it, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.